Mom doesn't know what she ran over. Her tire is dead. What do you think it could be? A blade, probably, from a car? But there's a little leathery tire. Look how thin it is. Here's my hand next to it. Wait. Here's my hand next to it.
Remember Christmas Story? Turn it off for a second.
Okay.
Slate 12, come back to me.
We finally did it.
1987.
1987? You got this, Mom. Ba-dink. Well, Brad should probably move. Boink! Use your Crocs.
Oh, yeah, right.
That wouldn't work.
Loose?
That spooked me. I didn't. Was that hitting the ground or was it?
No, it's just because they put them on with a machine.
Oh.
So the normal person can't on the side of the road undo these.
And how do they steal tires in like shows and all that? And they just like steal them like that?
They have a little machine.
How do they do? Oh wait, no. I'm like, how do they do this in races? How do they remove the tires so quick? And then I realized, oh yeah, they have the machine.
They have a tire iron that goes. It's got 4 heads, and you can grip it with 2 people.
It doesn't have that on it, does it? On the race cars?
What time is that? You can pull it in.
5.
I mean,
Car's going in 10 o'clock on Wednesday.
Tomorrow's Tuesday. Well, yeah, because that's quite important. Okay, so my hand is like touching the car.
How many times I've done this in my life?
Once.
True, but I remember this from school. So your dad, this is a jack. Then jack the car, so to take the tire off, right? There's a little spot where it actually goes.
Oh, the car's moving up. I can see it going.
Use this.
This is the proper thing.
I thought that was like only half.
My foot. 'Cause these are super strong, right? So if you pump the thing up and then you try to take them off, it's not gonna work.
Sweet. I'm surprised. It actually has air, a decent amount of air, and it's never been used. Car's up.
60 psi. So I'm gonna test it for.
That was touching my hand.
See what I'm doing, Logan?
Yeah. You're removing them, and then you're like holding the tire.
Gonna get my finger.
Careful. Is the car up higher now? What's it like in there? Is it interesting?
Don't get in.
Logan, look
Can you
at
pass
the
me the tire iron?
Yeah. There you go. Well, we got the tire on with one fail. I mean, pass. They're inspecting the tire to see if they can find anything.
So if someone doesn't like me, they flash
It's so
the
different.
tires
Look
on
at
it,
the,
they cut it
that's
off.
that tire. And then we have
Run away with another one.
this tire.